maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung Love at First Bite. Pinaghirapan po namin to. And it's nice to see everyone. Mapupunta sa volleyball.
Okay.
So, yeah, it was a very good transition. I'm very active, so it's innate in me to play sports. I'm very competitive, alam niyo yan. So, talagang hindi kami nagpatalo, and of course, I'd like to thank our coaches again, and of course the prod for setting us up with such good trainings, and makita nyo talaga na ginalingan talaga namin sa lahat ng mga sports scenes namin. So hopefully the volleyball community would appreciate that because we put in a lot of hard work and dedication into it. And you know, I've always dreamt of being a leading man here at ABS-CBN in the industry, so I'm very happy and thankful and humbled to be given this opportunity. And you know, I know the amount of dedication and hard work that it takes to lead a series. So that's something that I've learned, and dala-dala ko yan sa mga susunod na projects. An academic scholar at Brixton. He's the team captain of the basketball team, and he's a determined guy, he's a very persistent guy. And you'll see more about his journey when you watch Love at First Bite. On any project with a lot of preparation, so that was a big part of it. And you know, it was through acting workshops, getting my body ready. So I had a very rigorous program before this, and of course, you know, workshops with the whole cast. We did that to prepare. Aside from workshops, we did the volleyball trainings. And I guess when it comes to pressure after PBB, I don't think there's any pressure naman, but I put a lot of pressure on myself to do well, to do my best in everything that I do. So I'm excited for everyone to see the fruits of our labor because everyone worked very, very hard, and I'm just very grateful for this opportunity. So from his closed off experience in the start, you will see his journey as he slowly opens himself and learns about the community. And my message for the community is Happy Pride. Thank you for the support. I hope you guys like what we show. Sa investment banking, definitely use a lot of your left brain. So it's a lot of logical thinking, being kind of robotic. Pero dito talaga sa industriya, especially kasi ngayon, mahal ko na talaga ang pag-aarte. It's really about being in touch with your feelings, being emotional, and being okay with that. I was also in an industry that's very cutthroat. Not saying that this line of work is not cutthroat. It is very cutthroat.
More cutthroat.
More cutthroat, if not. Yes. But you know, you just have to be a lot more emotional, and that's okay. So, sana makita nyo yun. Nagla-lunch break ako sa Makati.
Meron na ba ngayon? Di ba yung challenge?
And because we work so hard together, the trust is built through that. And we really just rely on each other. Of course, we rely on Derek, Ivan, Ate Jen, everyone on Prod. And they're the ones who really guide us to where we are. I think one of the biggest strengths of this cast is that we are very close. And makikita nyo yun sa show na to. Stepping into the shoes of Uno is very it's a gift kasi I'm playing a character that's very ang ganda ng journey eh. Ako, I really fell in love with the character of Uno because, you know, he starts off as this very closed off guy, and then slowly he's starting to open up because he's a little bit of an outsider. He doesn't have a lot of friends, and he really just keeps to himself. But you know, in life, we all know that we all need friends. So slowly you'll see his journey unravel. Mga kaibigan natin sa press, kailangan nyo pong manood ng Love at First Bite kasi makita nyo po ang galing ng bawat artista na nandito, yung director po namin, ang mga producer po namin. Pinaghirapan po talaga namin ito. This is a culmination of all of the hard work that we've put into this. Almost 6 months together. And grabe talaga yung blood, sweat, and tears na binigay namin dito. And of course, ang message talaga ng show na to is very, very nice. So I hope ma-appreciate to ng mga tao. And I think marami talagang matututunan ang mga taong nanonood ng Love at First Bite. We are the cast of Love at First Bite! At panoorin niyo po ang Love at First Bite only on iWant on June 20 at 8 p.m.